Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I am Dr. Usman Ali Khan and you are watching Astrological Guidance. In today's video, our topic is 9,000 astrology. In today's video, we will discuss about what 9,000 represent in your birth chart, astrological Vedic birth chart. First of all, 9,000 deal with your knowledge, your wisdom, how much knowledge you will accumulate in this life, how much education you will have in your life, like higher education, your philosophical knowledge, your religious inclination, religious knowledge is also seen from 9,000. Because if we talk about the natural zodiac pattern, ninth on ninth number, Sagittarius sign comes on the ninth number. So ninth house also has the Sagittarius signs quality. So ninth house represent your teachers, your mentors, because education is seen from ninth house. So all the matters related to education, your higher education is seen from ninth house. Your advisor, your guider, your lawyers, because lawyers also give you advice like your daily routines, like your daily conflicts, like your day-to-day conflicts on your court cases, etc., etc. Your second marriage is also seen from ninth house because ninth house is the third house from the seventh house. So second marriage is also seen from ninth house. How lucky you are in this world is also seen from ninth house. Father, teachings of your father is seen from ninth house, but not actually your father is seen from ninth house. Your teachings of your father, and because education is seen from ninth house, and first teacher you will have in your life is your father. So your teachings of your father is seen from ninth house, not actually your father is seen from ninth house. Father is seen from 10th house. Your long distance travel is also seen from ninth house, and religious place. Ninth house also represent religious places, holy places, to visit holy places. Pilgrimage is also seen from ninth house. You belong to any religion. So visiting any religious place is seen from ninth house. Long distance travel, how much travel you will have in your life is also seen from ninth house. Especially long distance travel is seen from which contains the which contain crossing of the sea is seen from ninth house. How fortunate you are in this world is seen from ninth house, because in ancient world knowledge is considered as wealth. So ninth house has the most weightage in the Vedic astrological birth chart, because education is considered as well before like ancient time. So your fortune, how much education, how much knowledge, how much wisdom you will have in your life is seen from ninth house. Your religious inclination, religious knowledge is also seen from ninth house, etc., etc. So these are the basic things which we see from the ninth house when someone show their birth chart to us. But if you are assessing your birth chart and you are seeing your ninth house is occupied by, let's say, Leo sign, so Lord of the Leo sign is Sun. So you also need to see where is the Lord of your ninth house present in your birth chart. Let's suppose the Lord of your ninth house is present in some friendly sign or some inimical sign. First of all, let's suppose your ninth house Lord being present in the sign of Aries. Aries sign considered as exalted position for the Sun. So let's suppose your ninth house Lord is well placed in your birth chart in the sign of Aries, means your ninth house Lord is exalted in your birth chart. Then we can expect you will have a lot of ease regarding all the education related matter. Teacher, you will get good teachers in your life. You will have very supportive teacher. You will have you will possess very higher knowledge in the you will possess very higher knowledge, higher education in your life due to presence of your ninth house Lord in its exalted position in your birth chart. Also, you will be considered as very lucky in your education related matter, and this will also plays a very important part in your fame, because ninth house deal with your luck related matter, and without luck we can't have fame, and without luck and without fortune we can't have the fame in our life. So ninth house plays a very important role in your fame related matter as well. Now let's suppose if the lord of your ninth house is placed in its inimical sign, like in the sign of Capricorn, like in the sign of Libra, inimical sign like Libra sign. Sun is placed in its debilitation sign. Aries considered as exalted sign for the sun, and Libra considered as debilitation sign. Means sun will not have the directional strength in the Libra sign. So if your ninth house lord is placed in animical sign, then we can say you will have a lot of difficulties regarding all of your ninth house related matter in your life whenever the time period of your ninth house lord will be running in your birth chart. But as here we are talking about the ninth house, so uh, being present your ninth house lord in the inimical sign, you may face a lot of difficulties regarding all of these ninth house related matter. You will have the travel will not prove very beneficial for you. The education you will choose, you will have many difficulties regarding your education related matter. May you will have to break your education in the middle due to some reason, or there will be a lot of difficulties regarding luck related matter, etc., etc. Now, second thing which is very important to see when you're assessing your ninth house and ninth house lord in your birth chart is which planet aspect your ninth house is receiving in your birth chart. Let's suppose ninth house receiving a naturally malefic planet aspects, and naturally malefic planets are Saturn, Rahu, Ketu, and Mars from any house. So let's suppose your Saturn is placed in your seventh house, and Saturn is aspecting from its third aspect to your ninth house. Means the one naturally malefic house is also aspecting in your ninth house. And regardless of your ninth house lord is present in good position or bad position, this will also indicate you will have a lot of difficulties, a lot you may have to put a lot of effort regarding your education related matter, because third aspects of Saturn will signify you will have to put a lot of effort regarding your ninth house related matter whenever you are dealing with your ninth house related matter in your life, like your education, etc., etc. Let's suppose some naturally benefic planets. Let's suppose naturally benefic planet Jupiter is present in your first house, and Jupiter is also aspecting your ninth house from its ninth aspect. This aspect will prove very beneficial for your ninth house matter from all over the life, because you will have a lot of ease, you will have good fortune, you will have a lot of travels, you will very religious person, you will have very knowledgeable person, you will have a lot of educational degrees in your life. So that is the simplest way to assess anyone's ninth house in their birth chart. So our today's video 9000 bird chart ends here. I hope you will like this video, and this video will be very beneficial for you. And if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Till that, Allah Hafiz. Take care.